Hello guys, you're welcome back once again. So you can now buy data with cryptocurrency right here on the Minipay app. So I'll just go over quickly on how to show you how to buy it with your tokens, okay? So watch till the end. Before we proceed, I need you to understand that first of all, Minipay is a Web3 app that is owned and operated by Opera Mini. So whatever you do here is being backed by Opera Mini. Know that, all right? Now, why you've known this now, let's go ahead. So to buy airtime, right here with Minipay, what you have to do, or data, what you have to do, you can see that the button will always pop out right here. But for you to be able to get it on time, in case it doesn't pop out right here on time when you need it, you should always click right here, click at the apps section, then scroll down to where you can see Giftify company. There's a partner company that are in partnership with them that you can always buy them at a cheaper rate. And all these are companies that are in partnership with this Minipay to offer their services in cryptocurrencies. All right. So now you just scroll down and look for where you can see Giftify. Now this is the first. This is still Giftify. You can buy airtime with this. All right. Or you can decide to buy with another partnership of them, which is also Giftify. So there are two that we are going to be, one of the two that we are going to be looking for. Now this is the particular one that we are looking for right here. Okay, you can pay this bill payment is what you should always look out for. Now you just tap here and add it to the top. It's going to show up right at the top here. Okay, so you just type this, highlight this, and then now you've highlighted it, we have to go and also highlight the other one that I showed you guys, which is this. You can see this airtime here. You can choose to buy them, right from there. Then if you highlight it, you can see that any one that you highlight will be showing up right here. All right, we have highlighted this, and we've also highlighted this, and also we've at the same time highlighted right this. So you can buy from any of them, but we are going to be concentrating on just this one alone. All right, so you click on it, and then you can see Giftify. This Giftify here is a company that is in partnership with like I told you, whatsoever services you are buying from this company here will be deducted in cryptocurrency. And the beauty of it is that whatsoever you are buying, any airtime you are buying here is on a real-time discount. All right, let's say for instance I want to buy data right here. So you click on this data section right here, and then it's going to show you all the available options that you can choose from. Here you can see 2.5. You can buy 2.5. You can buy 2.5 gig for virtually 800 naira. And if you look here, these are the daily subscriptions you can buy. And if you look here, these are the weekly subscriptions you can buy. If you highlight on the weekly options, you can see all the available options you can buy, and the discounts. You can see that the discounts are quite very good. Here I can decide to buy this 11 gig with just 3,150, and the equivalent of this 3,150 is 2.36 USDT. All right, now if you click on this monthly part, you can see all the available ones you can buy. All right, so now for you to start, you have to first of all come here and insert your number, the number you want to buy using buying the airtime, or if you don't have the number, if you don't want to buy, you have to first of all select the network. All right, you select the network, either Glo. You can see the available networks that are here. There's Glo Nigeria Glo, there's Nigeria Airtel, there is MTN, and there is 9 Mobile. All right, now I want to buy for MTN, so I'll just tap on that MTN. My number is, you insert your number right there, 062301765. So you insert your number right there, and then it's going to show up this. Ensure that it shows up this, and also ensure that this number is the actual number that you want to buy the airtime with. All right, so that I don't go and do mistake and send out airtime to a different number entirely. All right, so now I can just select on the monthly, either daily or weekly. I'll just go ahead and select daily, for instance, okay? And then after selecting daily, you can now see I can actually get 1 gig for 0.34 USDT, which is equivalent to 450 naira. So I'll tap on it. So it's going to pop out this, okay? You can see the informations right here. What you are buying is data. Always check it out, all right? And then the amount you are going to be buying is 450 naira, and then in USDT it is equivalent to 0.3 USDT, all right? It's equivalent to this, and then you can see that the fee is just nothing, zero. When you're actually buying from the Minipay, the blockchain fee here in buying data is just zero, all right? Just zero, unlike some other platforms that do charge a little bit amount on buying. Here on Minipay is actually free, okay? So now you've confirmed it, just go ahead and click on buy, and then as soon as you click on that buy button, it is going to demand that you click on send. After you click on this send, as soon as you click on this send button right here, the system will ask for your password, and then it will be bought automatically. Then you get the notification in your phone that you have recharged data, or 1 gig data in your phone, guys. All right, so if this video was helpful or you have any question, leave it at the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.